Welcome, today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and here by click on the right upper corner you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account, you should click here to manage accounts on this device. Click there just to the Google, and as can you see we're just got here in the Google account setting these two accounts. Just to log out now from this account, for example from the second one, click here and click on the left upper corner and just tap to remove account. Now just click remove account again, and now you can see that here in the Google account settings we just stay only with one account. And now we'll just go back here to the Gmail application, and as can you see in the Gmail app we also stay only with one account. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.